Prebuilt gaming PCs have everything you need to start gaming right out of the box. Plus, you get a manufacturer warranty should anything go wrong. We have spent countless hours testing some of the most popular desktop out there in a bid to find the best desktop gaming PC currently on the market. In this video, we will show you 7 different models starting from the budget option to all the way up to high-end one. Let's get started. At number 1, we have the HP Pavilion Gaming PC. This one costs around $529. Now, this PC comes with a Ryzen 5 5600G processor, 8GB of RAM, 512GB of SSD, and with this PC you can easily play esports games at 1080p resolution with medium to high settings. Then at number 2, we have the HP Victus 15L. This one costs around $699. Now, this PC comes with a 12th generation Intel Core i3 processor, Z4 GTX 1660 Super graphics card, and Windows 11 built-in. And with this gaming PC, you can play AAA title games at 1080p resolution with medium to high settings easily. Then at number 3, we have the SkyTest Chronos Mini Gaming. This one costs around $869. Now, this gaming PC comes with a Ryzen 5 3600 processor, Nvidia's RTX 3050 graphics card, 500GB of SSD, 16GB of RAM, 600W gold certified power supply, and Windows 11 built-in. So in this price, it's an excellent deal. Then at number 4, we have this Skytech Shiva 2 gaming PC desktop. This one costs $999, and with this price, it's offering excellent value for money. It comes with an Intel Core i5 12400F processor, Nvidia's latest RTX 3060 graphics card, 500GB SSD, 16GB of RAM, 650W of power supply, and with this PC, you can easily play games at 1080p resolution with ultra settings, and also you can try 1440p gamings in many titles. So under $1000, it's an excellent deal. Then at number 5, we have the HP Envy desktop PC. This one costs around $1160. This gaming PC offers excellent performance for its price. It comes with a very powerful GeForce RTX 3070 Ti graphics card along with a super fast 12th generation Intel Core i7 12700 processor. So with this combination, you can play games at 1440p resolution with high settings easily. Then at number 6, we have the Asus RG Strike Z10. This one costs around $1165. Now, this gaming PC comes with an 11th generation Core i7 processor, GeForce RTX 3060 graphics card, 16GB of RAM, 1TB of SSD, Windows 11 built-in. Now, it may not be powerful as the previous one, but if you care about aesthetic looks and you are an Asus fan, this one is what you should go for. And finally, at number 1, we have the Alienware Aurora R10. This one costs almost $1600, and it comes with an insanely powerful AMD Ryzen 7 5800 processor along with a powerful AMD Radeon RX 6600 XT graphics card. So with this combination, it's an ultimate 1440p gaming PC, and also it has 1TB of SSD, 16GB of RAM, Windows 11 built-in, and in this price, it's a superb deal. Thanks for watching.